Oh, boy!
Denver and Rio Grande Western 493 to musician. At this time, we are now ready for your rendition of This Little Light of Mine. 493, over and out. Right on time. Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, and as you can see we are back at the Durango and Silverton narrow gauge railroad as the train is leaving. I'll do a video tour of the Durango and Silverton tomorrow. And there's the car we rode last time. Got a new paint scheme. Nice. That reminds me of the open air car. And there's the Alamosa. Woo! Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you would like to, I will be posting more videos for this trip. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you all next time. Have a wonderful day.